Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to organize your job search with Airtable effectively. First up, you'll need to set up your Airtable base. This is essentially your database where you'll store all relevant job search information. Think of it as your digital command center. Now that we've done that, it's time to create your tables. You'll want separate tables for companies, contacts, applications, and interviews. Doing so will help keep your job search neatly organized and easy to navigate. Next up, start populating each table. For the companies table, enter the company name, location, industry, and a link to their website. This helps us because it centralizes all the important info about potential employers. In the contacts table, you'll want to note down names, roles, email addresses, and any notes about your interactions. The reason we do this is to keep track of networking opportunities and follow-ups. Your applications table will include the job title, application date, application status, and any related notes. This allows you to have a clear overview of your applications and their progress. Lastly, your interviews table should contain the interview date, platform, interviewer's name, and post-interview notes. This helps us stay on top of any upcoming interviews and to reflect on past ones. Now, let me explain why this matters. Organizing your job search in this way allows you to have a snapshot of your job search journey at any given time, making it easy to stay organized and focused. And there you have it. With a few simple steps, you can turn Airtable into your personal job search assistant. Remember, staying organized can make all the difference in your job search. Thanks for tuning in, and best of luck with your job hunt.